Here to unveil Platinum's latest innovation in hair care luxury from our Luxe Shine collection. Today we are thrilled to introduce to you our newest addition to the collection, Luxe Shine Mask. In a world where self-care has become an essential part of our daily routines, we wanted to create something truly extraordinary for you. Allow me to present our most indulgent formula yet, the Luxe Shine Mask. This luxurious, intensive conditioning mask isn't just about hair care. It's about pampering yourself and treating your hair to the radiance and care it deserves. With just one use, you'll experience hair that is visibly more shiny and luminous, doubled hair softness, and hair that is twice as strong. This decadent treatment is enriched with precious gold, featuring non-depositing pigments, ensuring no staining or altering of your hair. Enriched with botanical extracts, coconut oil, and shea butter. This mask offers significantly more conditioned and manageable hair. This mask was also formulated without silicones, mineral oil, sulfates, sodium chloride, and parabens. Transport yourself to a world of luxurious self-care as you indulge your senses with the beloved favorite fragrance of the Luxe Shine collection, featuring enchanting notes of saguaro cactus flower, zesty tangerine peels, and sandalwood. But that's not all. Our Luxe Shine Mask also offers 72 hours of humidity protection, ensuring your hair stays silky and smooth even in the most challenging conditions. Plus, it's color safe and suitable for most hair types, making it a must-have whether you're at home or in the salon. How to use. 1. Begin your self-care rituals with our Luxe Shine Shampoo. 2. Apply the Luxe Shine Mask generously from roots to ends, indulging your strands in intense conditioning. Let it work its magic for 5 to 15 minutes to reveal Luxe Shine's power of ultimate hair radiance and silkiness. 3. Complete your routine with our Luxe One Leave-In and elevate your radiance with a touch of Luxe Shine Oil to really shine like gold. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our Kenra Professional YouTube channel.